Dual government. The English East India Company became the real ruler of Bengal. English had full control over revenue collection and military administration. A small amount of revenue was given to Nawab to run the civil administration. The English had all the sources and power but no responsibility. On the other hand, the Nawab had all the responsibility but no resources and power. This system of government was known as dual government. It resulted in a great misery for the people of Bengal. The system lasted till CE 1772. Bengal suffered under this system. The officials showed no mercy to the people during the famine of CE 1770, which worsened the condition of the people. Warren Hastings became the governor of Bengal in CE 1772 and ended the dual government. He brought Bengal under the direct control of the company. In CE 1773, Warren Hastings was made first Governor-General of all British possessions of the company in India. Warren Hastings, CE 1772 to 1785, started a new policy of expanding British influence in India. Under Warren Hastings, English fought two Anglo-Mysore wars, but none of the powers made any gains from the wars. With the Marathas, the English were engaged in the First Anglo-Maratha War from CE 1775 to 1782. There was struggle for Peshawarship. The two claimants were Madhav Rao II, who was supported by Maratha chief Nana Fadnavis, and other was Raghunath Rao, whom the British supported. The British failed to make any substantial gains in First Maratha War, but it gave the English 20 years of peace with the Marathas. During the tenure of Governor-General Lord Cornwallis and Sir John Shore, the company tried to follow the policy of non-intervention in the affairs of Indian states, as the British Parliament was of the opinion that the company had no right to interfere in the affairs of the Indian rulers. However, this policy did not prevent the English from participating in the Third Mysore War when Tipu Sultan attacked the Raja of Travancore, who was under British protection. This period of non-intervention was used for consolidation of the newly acquired power rather than expansion.